In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Roblox account. By deactivating your Roblox account, your account will be hidden. However, it will not be deleted, and you can go ahead and reactivate it whenever you want. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you want to be away from Roblox and you want your account to be inactive, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and log into your current Roblox account and then go to more options here. From here, go ahead and tap on settings, and then under settings, choose this option, privacy and content restrictions. Now under this, head down to the last option, account deactivation and deletion. If you tap on this, you can see we have two options here, to deactivate account and to initiate deletion. So to deactivate account, go ahead and tap on deactivate. You're told deactivating your account is reversible. While deactivated, your profile will be hidden and you will not be able to use Roblox. So go ahead and tap on deactivate. And here you can read deactivation information, and then you are told here, after deactivating, you will be logged out. You can reactivate your account at any time after logging back into Roblox. So I'll go ahead and tap on deactivate, and that's it. Now if you go back, and you will be logged out of your account. Now at this point, you have to note that before you deactivate your account, you may be asked to enter a verification code that will be sent to your email just for security purposes, that you are the one deactivating your account. So that's how you can deactivate your Roblox account, by following these steps. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.